Perfect. Perfect.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. You might as well just, like this video as you watch it as well. As you can tell in the video, I'm going to be doing a nice little try on haul. I got a couple pieces from Express, and since I am a working woman now in corporate America, I picked up a couple pieces that would help dressing nicer at my new job. I got me some nice business casual things. This bag may look small, but there's a lot of things in here. I did rack up a lot more than I thought I would. Yeah, keep watching and I'll show you guys all my pieces. So this is the first item I picked up from Express. This nice dress with a little slit. Nothing too crazy, can't be showing too much at work. It's a nice, soft baby blue color. I think it fits really good. It's in a size medium. I don't think there's too much detailing in it on the back. It's just a plain zipper. I just paired this dress with some nice gold jewelry since there's gold detailing in the dress. But yeah, I really like it. I think it fits really nice. The material is really good and it's an appropriate length for work, so I really like this dress. Okay, so this is my next outfit from Express. I think she is really cute. I came dressed and prepared for the day. So this is just a nice black pencil skirt. I think it's a really nice appropriate length, goes to my knees. It is a little tight, but I got a size 6. I'm still trying to figure out what size I am because I've lost a little weight. But yeah, my skirt is a size 6. I could go up in a size because, like I said, it's a little tight, but they didn't have a size 8, so I'm just gonna go with this one. The top is really nice as well. It also has a little bit of lace on the sleeve. And since the shirt does not have sleeves, I thought it'd be cute if I put a little sweater over it at work, little jacket. It did come with a little belt. And so yeah, this is just the ensemble I came up with. I can add more jewelry and accessories for the actual day of work. But yeah, I think she's cute. Good work appropriate outfit. So yes. So this is my next piece I got from Express. It's just the top. I'm just gonna be focusing on the top. Although I did pair it with some white jeans. I can't actually wear jeans to work, not even on Fridays. So I'll probably be pairing this in the future with some black slacks or a black skirt. So I really do like the top. It is snake print. It is also sheer. So I did put a black tank top underneath just so you don't see everything else underneath. It's buttoned down all the way, and I, just to show a little décolleté, I left a couple buttons undone, but overall, I think this is a really cute top. Okay, so this is my next ensemble from Express, and to be honest, it's really cute. I love this sweater. I love the way she fits. I want to say I got it in a medium. It's a little shorter on my arms, but it's not too bad or anything. I just feel like it fits really nice, and it's a nice sweater that I can pair with anything. And then these pants. These are wide leg, high-waisted trousers, and they fit really nice, honestly. They fit really good, really nice. The color is just very loud. It's very bright. It's very poppin', and it just adds a nice, bright color to my wardrobe. The only problem is that they're a little too short. So yeah, they're just a little bit too short. So Express, I would really love to see that you guys could make longer pants, longer tops for taller women, because we out here and we love to shop. I know I do. So yeah, we would just love to see taller clothing, especially since these clothes are so nice. They're perfect for the work field or any type of field you're in. They just have a lot of nicer, cute clothes. So I would love to see just longer length things that I could wear and add into my own wardrobe, because this outfit's really cute. It just sucks that the pants are not long enough. Okay, so this is the last and final item that I will be showing you guys and trying on. It is this nice, very bright pink, fuchsia, magenta, whatever you want to call it. But it's very bright, it's very loud, it's very in your face, and it has a nice silky material to it, satin, nice satin material. And the length of it is really nice. It is a little on the bigger side. I got in a size medium, but I do like how it's looser, you know. It's very, I don't know, just swingy. I just have some room. My legs and my thighs, my booty has room. I don't know if I would pair it with this sweater per se. I just left it on for my last outfit. But I think it's really cute. I like it. This actually wasn't my choice to get. My mom picked it out and, you know, she thought it would be cute to wear to the office. But I actually really do like it on. Surprisingly, I didn't think I would. But she's cute and I'm here for it. Just, you know, no complaints. So that's all of my pieces from Express. I really can say that I really liked all my pieces. There are some things that didn't fit the greatest or, you know, weren't long enough. But overall, I really liked all the clothes. This is my first time shopping at Express. I think these pieces are really good to add onto my professional wardrobe since, you know, I am a working woman now. I'm gonna be looking stylish at my new job. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about sizing or how anything fit or anything like that, please ask below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.